आ जाओ दी। कुछ नहीं होता, जल्दी से आ जाओ बेटा, निंटेंडो नहीं गीला होता। Come. Get in. Put your Nintendo here and sit. Sit. Wait for the belt, okay? We're here. Can you remove the bag?
It's still raining.
Yeah. Get your Nintendo. You wanna get it? Come on, quickly.
But it's getting wet.
Yeah, it's fine. Come. Go on the sidewalk. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Is it better holding you from the front? You cannot get it out.
Oh no!
No. Oh.
Go get in. Get in.
I will get.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go this way. This way.
Sit.
Yeah, you can sit. Just sit. Let's go. Let's go. Watch.
This way. We will check your weight, okay? Please stand on the scale.
Okay. No, you're standing other way. Ram se come.
इधर को सीट है हो यहाँ पे आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ यहाँ पे। आपका टेम्परेचर चेक करेंगे, ठीक है?
ये भी सुबह मैंने इसको gave him Advil at 7:30. या 7:30 पे दिया 38 था।
हाँ अभी तो 37 दिखा रहा है। Okay, wait here, okay? Doctor will call you.
Okay.
Hanji, why were you crying? I could hear you. Huh? Was the wait too long? I'm sorry. I'm trying my best here. Okay. Alright. So, Rahil, क्या हुआ है?
Tell what happened to you, Annie?
What
Doctor
happened?
is asking what happened.
What happened? Huh?
Why are you here?
Fever?
I have fever
Mm-hmm.
and I have a runny nose
Oh, okay.
and I'm coughing.
And you're coughing? Does your throat hurt?
Yeah.
And do your ear hurt? Ears, do they hurt?
No.
He
No?
was itching.
Itching, okay.
Yeah.
Any nausea, vomiting or diarrhea?
No, he's fine.
He's fine. And is he eating and drinking okay?
Not eating well, but drinking is fine.
Drinking
He's
is fine.
drinking water,
Okay.
and juice. Yeah.
Is he playful and active like his usual self?
Not really, but he said I'm tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long have the symptoms been going on?
The fevers, it's been 4 days, and the symptoms you can say almost 1 week because his sister,
Mm-hmm.
she was sick before.
Oh, okay.
That's why. Yeah.
And how was the sister treated?
With the azithromycin and the puffer,
Mm-hmm.
and her ear was itchy too,
Mm-hmm.
and the doctor wrote drops for her.
Okay. Is he allergic to any antibiotics?
No, he's fine.
He's fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's fine.
All right, honey. Do you mind if I take a look in your throat? Hmm? Can I take a look? All right. Say ah for me. And take your tongue out, please. Take your tongue out and say ah. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, his tonsils are very swollen. So yeah, might be an infection going on. Okay. And how much was the fever?
38, and it went to 42.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 40.
Oh, okay. And were you giving Advil and
Advil,
Tylenol?
Tylenol, like switching.
So yeah, keep giving Advil and Tylenol every 4 to 6 hours. Do not wait for the fever to come. Just keep giving it for a few days until the antibiotic kicks in. It will take 1 to 2 days to kick in. Okay, so I'm going to prescribe the antibiotic. You're so cute. So cute. Okay, so amoxicillin for him.
Okay.
So he's not allergic to amoxicillin,
No, he's
right?
fine. He's
fine. Okay, so yeah, let's do the amoxicillin and hopefully things improve in about
Hopefully,
a week.
yeah.
Hopefully, inshallah.
Inshallah.
And if things do not improve, then definitely come back. Okay?
Yeah, I came before. I went to our family doctor, and he said the same thing. Like he has nothing. He's fine. His chest is clear, and he didn't give anything. Then I came back. He said if the symptoms gets worse, then come back.
Okay.
So they have to open late. So I came here. So
You came here, and the symptoms did get worse.
Yeah.
Okay.
It does,
Yeah. So usually when one child has strep and the other also gets it contagious. So yeah, let's treat it. The thyroid is the tonsils are very swollen. So yeah.
His coughing is his sound is very
different than his
very
usual.
different.
Yeah.
It sounds like something like maybe mucus or something is there. Yeah.
Okay, and does he have pain when he swallows?
Yeah, that's why I think he's not eating.
Not eating. Yeah, definitely.
He's just drinking. Yeah.
Okay, honey, do you mind if I listen to your chest?
Yes.
Take a deep breath in and out. In and out.
Again. And out too.
In and out. Good job. In and out. Again. So chest is clear. No problem there. So yeah, let's just treat with antibiotics and see how it goes. Just lots and lots of hydration. पानी पिलाते रहें इसको. खाना भी नहीं भी खाता कोई बात नहीं. 2-3 दिन it's okay. जो भी खाता है दे दें. That's fine. और hopefully ठीक हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह. ठीक है? चलो लिख देते हैं antibiotics.
Thank you so much,
No
doctor.
problem.
That's it. No puffer needed or just the.
इसको हो रहा है कोई wheezing वगैरह और shortness of
didn't hear
breath.
any sound,
Then
Yeah.
ऐसे भी क्योंकि हर चीज के साइड इफेक्ट्स भी होते हैं. अभी इतना छोटा बच्चा है.
Yes.
हार्ट रेट उससे इतना ऊपर चल जाता है. तो we really don't know. But if अगर लगता है कि मतलब इस तरह होता है तो I don't think कि इसको क्योंकि चेस्ट भी मुझे बिल्कुल क्लियर लग रहा है. ठीक है?
चेस्ट पहले भी क्लियर थी. I think
यहाँ से बेसिकली यहाँ से
गले का
यहाँ
प्रॉब्लम
से आ रहा है. इसकी वजह से खा भी नहीं रहा. भूख भी कम लग रही है.
और फीवर भी इसी की वजह से इतना तेज हो रहा है गले.
ठीक है?
Okay.
चलिए सही है.
Thank you,
Okay.
doctor.
No problem.
Allah Hafiz. Let's go. You okay? Say
See,
bye
it was
and thank
quick.
you. Say bye and
Bye.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's
Get well soon. You're so cute. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you,
Bye.
doctor. Let's go.
Yeah.
You're fine now? Let's go. Chest more heavy.
Yeah.
Thank you. What happened? Did you get your medicine?
Yeah.
And
Look what happened.
that's fine. I can do. And this is for whom? This syrup. This one. This syrup.
Fajr?
No.
Faya?
Yes. It's for Bhai. Chala jo.
Oh, why is Faya sick?
Bhai is also coughing. Can you press the button? Ali. Can you press the button? Check.
It's for Faya.
Where are you going? Let's go. What you gonna get?
Timbits?
Huh?
And Timbits.
In which? Potato wedges. This is called pastry. Timbit. And the donuts. All of them. And yeah, that's it. And this is the medicine. That's it.